about to stop before. Baby boy, I'm gonna disturb you now. If you thought about to stop before, baby girl, I'm gonna disturb you now.
Gosh, this has to be one of my favorite textures. This is so pretty. Look at how full it is. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. If you want more details on this unit, stay tuned. This is what the unit looks like. This is the curl pattern. This is a kinky curly unit. It is a 7x5 lace closure. It came pre-bleached, pre-cut, and pre-plucked. It also came with an adjustable band and a drawstring. This is 20 inches. It doesn't have a smell to it. It also comes with a breathable cap, as you can see, and it has a comb in it. This is what it's looking like straight out of the package. This is the curl pattern. Of course, you're gonna comb it out and define it. I want to show you guys exactly what it looks like. It also has kinky edges. If you look straight at it like this, these are kinky edges on the hairline. It looks very natural, if you ask me. Looks very good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on the lace and we're gonna install it. Of course, a glueless install. You guys know the drill. Looks absolutely good straight out of the package. So as you can see, like I said, it came with kinky edges. This is absolutely natural looking. I just used foundation on the lace you guys saw, and there's no glue here. The edges look very good. Fantastic lace. It's already full straight out of the package, even though I have not defined it yet. This is pretty much going to be an easy install because this comes out of the unit looking very good. Of course, I'm going to take some extra steps because I want to show you guys exactly how to get your wigs looking good right out of the package. So starting off, you want to put foundation on the lace. It looks so good. This is all the way 7x5, so the lace comes here and 5 inches back. Very pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the drawstring at the back. Absolutely comfortable around the ears. As you can see, the part goes around the ear, not sitting on my ear, so it's absolutely comfortable. It's like that on both sides. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this unit. Absolutely bouncy and full. I told you guys this unit is full. It's so pretty. Look at how it's falling off the bone. So pretty. We're going to be trimming this because you guys know I like to trim my units now. I'm just gonna comb through. So guys, this is the unit fully dried down. I went ahead to put some finger coils in it. I absolutely love it. I told you guys this unit is a big full unit, and curling it, defining it really does show it. This is so pretty. The baby hairs on the edges look absolutely phenomenal. So full and so pretty. This is a kinky curly unit from Nadula hair. It came with an adjustable band, an adjustable drawstring, pre-cut, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked lace. It is a 7x5, which means you have so much space to do whatever you want. You can do a side part, and the C part around the ear makes wearing the unit so comfortable. It's not sitting on my ear at all. This is so good. Thank you so much to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to check out the description box for all the details on this gorgeous unit. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.